Hi guys, welcome to my channel MateABC English, and today we're going to talk about the product and addition on complex numbers. So let's get started. Well, we define the complex numbers as the following. Is the set of all pairs A and B, such as A and B are real numbers, but also we can define this set as the following: A plus B times I, such as A and B are real numbers. So we can either have this definition or this. So what does it mean? Well, if you have a pair of numbers, for example, -1 and 2, you can reject a number such as it is a complex number. For example, -1 plus 2i. And I is very important, guys, because I is a number such as I equals the square root of -1. So it is essential because when you elevate this to the power of 2, it is -1. So that's why we need to create a new set. In this case is the complex numbers. So then, in order to define sum, we have this bijection. For example, if you have pi and this is square root of 3, you can have another number, for example, pi plus square root of 3 times a. This is another example of a complex number. So if you want to define operation of sum, it has to be with two elements of complex numbers and need sent to another complex number. So for example, then you have to add one complex number by this definition. You have two complex and you only have to see the first one, A plus C and B plus D. And these guys, A plus C is a real number, the operation of addition on the reals, and also this. So watch out, guys, because this is the addition of the complex numbers and this the addition on the real numbers. So it is essential because we also have to define the product with a complex number and also with another, and you will receive another complex number. So in this case, you have A and B times, in the complex numbers, C and D. You will get another complex number, but it in this case is much larger. So you have to see the first one, A times C minus B times D, and on the other one you will get B times C plus A times D. Now guys, we are going to see examples about what we have seen. So we have defined A, such as 5 plus 8i, B equals minus I, and C equals 2 plus I. So we need to find this sum and also these products. So in order to do that, we need to recall the definition of the sum addition on complex numbers and also on the products. So here we have that in this case, A aquí, hey, or this number is 0. So 0 is the real number and this is the imaginary number. So here the real number is 0, so that's why we have 5 plus 0, and on the other one 8 minus 1, and this is 5, 7. So this number is equivalent to 5 plus 7i. Another one is that we need to recall the definition of the complex numbers and an addition, and it is 5 plus 2, the first one, and then 8 plus 1. And this is, guys, 7, and in the other one have 9. So this is equivalent to 7 plus 9i. So on the other one we need this product, b times c and a times c. So remembering, guys, this is much larger than the sum. So b times c, we need to multiply the first one to the first one, so it is 0 2 times 2, and then minus 1, and this is 1. On the other hand, we need to multiply this by this, so it is minus 1 times 2, and add it to this times this, so it is 0 times 1, and this, guys, equals to, this is 0 and this is 1, so we have 1, and this is 2 times minus 1 minus 2, and this is 0. So we have that this number is equivalent to 1 plus minus 2i. So, guys, we need to finally find this multiplication, the product. So it is larger, so we have this, and a times c, it is the first one to the first one, so 5 times 2 plus minus 8 times 1. And on the other hand, we have to multiply 8 times 2 and then add it to 5 times 1. And this is, guys, this is 10 minus 8, 2. And 16 plus 5, it is 21. So it is equivalent to the number 2 plus 21i. So, guys, I hope you to subscribe to my channel and also to support it. And also I am very grateful with you because you are supporting our channel and also staying with us. So I hope you guys to see you in my next videos. Bye.